In this video, you'll learn how to schedule appointments using Calendly. By following these steps, you will be able to create an event, set your availability, connect your calendar, share your booking link, and allow clients to book their appointments seamlessly. First, navigate to the Calendly website. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to log in. Once you successfully log in, locate and click the Create button, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. After clicking, Create a new window will appear, prompting you to choose the type of event you want to set up, such as one-on-one or group. Select your preferred event type to proceed. Next, you will need to set your availability. In the event setup window, look for the section labeled Set Availability. Here, you can choose the specific days and time slots when you are available for meetings. Click on the days of the week that you want to make available. After selecting the days, you will see options to specify the time slots. Make sure to review these settings carefully, as they will determine when clients can book appointments with you. After setting your availability, the next step is to connect your calendar. Look for the option labeled Connect Your Calendar within the Setup interface. You can sync your Google, Outlook, or Apple Calendar by clicking on the corresponding option. Follow the prompts to authorize Calendly to access your calendar. This connection is crucial as it helps avoid double bookings by automatically reflecting your existing commitments. Once your calendar is connected, you are ready to share your booking link. Find the section that provides your unique Calendly link. Click on the copy button next to the link to copy it to your clipboard. You can now send this link to clients via email or add it to your website. This allows clients to easily access your availability, book a time that works for both of you. Finally, when a client receives your link, they can pick a time slot that suits them. Once they select their preferred time, the meeting will be automatically scheduled on your calendar without the need for back and forth communication. This streamlined process simplifies scheduling and saves valuable time for both you and your clients. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.